Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So we're here today again with another video. I'm wearing my oversized t-shirt, which is like 100 sizes too big for me, but we're just gonna ignore that and let's see what look I come up with. So if you want to see what look we create today, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're here today. This is actually my first time. So this is the brand. It's Pinky Rose Cosmetics, and this palette is called Exotic Peacock.
No, that is not. Okay.
Yeah, I ordered this from BoxyCharm pop-up. Not, was it pop-up? Yeah, it was the pop-up. And so this one looks like so. So this is actually very pretty. So we're just gonna go ahead and just create a look, like I have no idea what look I'm gonna create, but we're gonna create something. So this is a Y210 from Makeup by Yolondo. I am thinking I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Lost Fool. See, this is like not so big, but it's kind of like awkward to hold. So this has really nice pigmentation. And it blends very well. So that's 2 pluses right there. And I think I only pay like $6 for each of these palettes too. Like so. I think I'm gonna clean this brush. This is like a stumpy, fluffy brush. I don't know. That's hell of a description. Now we're gonna go into Sultry, which is this shade right here. And I'm gonna put this right here. I'm literally gonna do like a quick look. I think I need to go back into that purple. And it cleans very well too, so that's super dope. My coconut water. I love coconut water, but since I live in Texas and not in the Caribbean, which is where I'm from, I kind of had to fake the whole coconut water situation, and this is faking it. You have to fake it till you make it. I almost want to put risque like a little bit on top, but I don't know how that will look. Put this brush down for a second. Is this brush gonna be fine? What is this? This is what? Y209, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here called Risque. I think. Okay. See how easy this look was? So I'm gonna go off of camera. I'm gonna do my other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back. Eyes are done, and we're just gonna go into the face. I'm wearing my Daily Greens from Farmacy. I need a really gripping primer. What my milk makeup primer? I can't find it. What can I use that's like, because I need something that's gonna really grip, because I'm going to the mall and I'm gonna be wearing a mask, but I can't find it. Oh, it's right here. My Hydro Grip from Milk. Look at this. It's like every time I feel like, you know, I'm just clean, my face is cleaning like really well, then here comes, you know, the giantest pimple of them all. Like my little hair thingy. I'm gonna use my Tint Idole from Lancome with my E6 brush from Morphe. I forget to put a little bit of Brick-A-Brac in my smile line. Not putting too much, just right here. See, like right here. And just a little bit here. I feel like this foundation is almost like a medium coverage. I don't think it's like full. It's buildable a little bit, but because you're still gonna be able to see that monstrosity right here. I keep checking my mic, just making sure, you know, we're still in business, because I started recording the other day and then my mic was off. For concealer, I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape tape concealer, but I'm using 10. This is my favorite shade, but I do sometimes use like a medium just to get a little lighter coverage. It just depends. But this is my favorite shade. Yeah, it's enough. Again, I'm gonna be wearing a mask, so I don't want to go too crazy. This coconut water is life. This is Skin by Minted. I feel like this is a little bit red. Maybe too red? I don't know. Maybe a little bit too light. I don't know. Put a little bit of this over top. And this is from Juvia's place. I'm not putting too much. And I'm gonna use this brush. This is an E34 from Morphe. And I'm not going too crazy. I'm not going to the mall. I'm trying to find me a concealer brush that I can never find. I think it would help, you know, if I kind of like clean this up a little bit, but clean it up and then 2 seconds later it's back to that. Because I feel like I need like more space, like a whole room. Oh, and this is a G38 from Morphe. See, it's not crazy because the 10 shade is like pretty close to my complexion, so it just gives me like a little bit of highlight, but not, you know, anything wild. And I'm gonna go back here. Kind of stamping this, and then same thing right here, and then same thing on the forehead, so it doesn't look like there's a separation. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my Locked In Loose Powder from Prime Beauty with my Moda brush. Again, this is actually, I like this shade, but it's not something I use all the time because sometimes I want it like kind of more highlighted than this. And now I'm gonna go in and just set the rest of my face with my Charlotte Tilbury powder. This is a 213 from Morphe. It's just like a really small brush. So I'm gonna use that to apply my primer under my eye or in my waterline or really close to it. Yep, this is good. So now I'm just pretty much gonna mimic the same thing that I did, except I'm thinking I'm just gonna do the purple in like these two shades right here. So let's see. Do I have a super flat brush in here? I don't know. Let's try this one, which is the Y215, and then let's go into Sultry. Getting a little bit of fallout, nothing too crazy, but I kind of was expecting that. That's why I left my powder a little bit heavier there. Man, I love these formulas. They're so good. I actually got 3 of them, so I'll be, you know, doing a video with the other ones. Man, the faces I do when I'm doing my makeup, they're so funny. Now we're gonna clean up the pink and then go back to the purple. Okay, now I go back to my powder brush, or the one I used to set under my eye, and I know now my eyes kind of matching my nails are matching my eye. See, so I just use that to clean it up. I think, you know, the shade that I put on top of my eye, like right here, I think I'm gonna put that in my, just kind of over the pink a little bit in my inner corners. And I'm gonna use a Y6 to do that. Not a Y6. Y217, sorry. Which is risque. Just to put like a little something more. I think just kind of break down the pink. Love these. These are so good. And as I said, they're so inexpensive too. Okay, let's go ahead and prime. Not prime. Let's blush, bronzer, and we're almost done, guys. I was so like, today's a pretty short video. Again, I'm gonna go into this shade. Then I'm gonna take my sponge. I'm gonna go into this shade. And I'm gonna use these blush palettes. So I think I'm gonna do, let's do Peach Blossom. And let's see what we're gonna do for highlighter. Actually, I'm gonna use my PopSugar highlighter, and this is it's Beauty by PopSugar. I'm just gonna mix the two shades together. It's not anything crazy, but it's perfect for today. Now I'm like not sure what to do with the lip. I don't want to go too crazy. But you know, we can't just leave the lip hanging by itself with nothing. Actually, I used this lipstick maybe like a couple videos ago and I liked it, so I think I'm gonna use it again. I'm gonna use this. This is from Black Opal. What shade is this? The Loop. And I'm gonna use Duchess from Sugarpill. I love this lipstick and it's so comfortable too. I love this. And now I'm just gonna take this. I didn't put that much here, so I'm just gonna, you know, just work this a little bit like so. Just hit my elbow on him. Okay. Again, we're going back to the what you call this? Them edges that I'm terrible at. But I'm still working on this, babies. I'm still working on it. So don't come for me. Stop. I'm working on my edges. Working on it. I feel like they're a little bit better today, but I'm still working on them, guys. So I'm sorry, they're terrible. But I'm be coming here one day with my edges like so good, you know. Guys gonna be like, oh, look at her edges, but still working on them. Just gonna, you know, darken this up a little bit. Whew. Okay, so that's it, guys, for this video. You know, I had so much fun. These palettes are so good. They're so good. Like, and I only paid $6 for them. So if you're a boxy, like a charmer, you know, and you get, or they come back with them and you can get your hands on them, please get them because they're so good. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.